Welcome to 40 meters squared. It's not much, but I intend to grow a lot. In this video I will be doing propagation of nartjie seeds, mainly known as a mandarin orange outside of South Africa. I am going to be doing over 1,000 seeds, using a method I have great success with in much smaller quantities. I will also be doing these tomatoes. When I did an image search there were so many different names from Palo Alto, beefsteak, Wenzel tomato. They are not a common variety here in South Africa, so we will just call it tomato. Let us get back to the nartjie seeds. I will be doing them in 2 batches. First we need to remove the seeds from the fruit. I will cut up the fruit and bury it into my other bed gardens that do not have any plants. They will decompose and help to create nutrient-rich soil. Nartjies are a good source of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are all essential nutrients that plants need to grow and thrive. Next I am going to wash and dry the seeds so as to remove the sticky sugar on them. Otherwise the next part will be difficult.
Dehushing a nartjie seed involves carefully removing its outer skin to reveal the seed within. You'll find the seeds, each encased in a thin, papery husk. To start, gently hold a nartjie seed between your fingers. You'll notice the seed has a delicate, translucent skin that's slightly textured. Use your thumb and forefinger to gently pinch and peel away this outer layer. Start at the top of the seed, where the skin is often the most delicate, and work your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging the seed inside. As you peel off the husk, you'll reveal a smooth, glossy seed. This process requires a bit of patience, but with a steady hand, you'll be able to remove the husk cleanly. Once dehushed, the key is to handle the seeds with care to maintain their integrity and maximize their potential. Removing the nartjie seed skin before propagation is essential as it improves germination by allowing better water absorption, accelerates growth by removing barriers to sprouting, reduces disease risk by eliminating potential pathogens, and ensures better contact for robust root development. It was quite the experience doing over 1,000 seeds and had to do it over several days. One big tip I can give you is to keep the seeds dry but moist at the same time. I found that completely dry seeds are harder to do, and you get more damages. Once I got all my seeds, it's time to get the next part ready. Using toilet paper for seed propagation is beneficial due to its convenience, cost-effectiveness, and effectiveness. Toilet paper is widely available and inexpensive, making it an easy option. Its porous nature retains moisture and ensures good aeration, which helps maintain consistent moisture levels and prevents fungal growth. The thin, absorbent material distributes water evenly, crucial for seed germination. Additionally, once seeds sprout, the entire paper strip can be planted directly into soil or pots, minimizing root disturbance. This method is particularly useful for small seeds, providing a controlled environment for successful germination. I like to use a small amount of rooting hormone which I find helps, but take note that this one I'm using is not required or indeed used for this purpose. You can however use the following to improve your germination rate. Seaweed extract, which is rich in growth hormones and nutrients. You can soak the seeds or use as a foliar spray. Humic acid, this improves soil structure and nutrient absorption. All you have to do is mix it into the soil or apply as a solution. Mycorrhizal fungi, this will enhances root absorption. Just dust over the seeds or mix into soil. Amino acids, great for promoting enzyme activity and nutrient uptake. You can soak the seeds or spray seedlings. Compost tea or even kitchen scrap fertilizer will be nutrient-rich and full of beneficial microorganisms. Again, just soak seeds or water seedlings with it. These natural. All I am going to do now is spray down the inside of the polystyrene box. As you can see, I have placed a plastic bag into the box. This is so that the roots do not burrow into the box itself. I place the seeds in rows of 12s. Now you might think, well, that is a bit too close to each other, but you must remember that I'm not going to be growing them to 3 or 4 inches. As soon as they get the 2-leaf split I am yanking them out. Just joking, I will be doing it very gently. I apologize for the bad focusing on the video. This is for 2 reasons. 1. I am still new at this, and 2. I have yet to get a good enough camera due to budget constraints, but I am sure I will get there, just as I hope you will watch till the end. So, a few pointers I did not mention yet is the amount of toilet paper on both the bottom and top of the seeds. For the bottom I placed 1 layer of 2-ply paper, which should be enough, but you can place another layer on top if you wish. I did it when I propagated my pepper seeds. It just gives the roots that extra bit of space, but not really that important. For the top I placed only 1 layer of 1-ply toilet paper. This will make it easier for the stem to break through, but enough to stabilize it so that it does not grow horizontally. With that said, let us continue. So I managed to fit in 28 by 12 in 2 of the boxes and 24 by 12 in the other 2. Can you do the maths before I can say it? 28 by 12 is 336 by 2 is 672, and 24 by 12 is 288 by 2 is 576. That is a total of 1248 seeds that I have put into these 4 boxes. And with that I will be covering them. So, they are in the dark and the moisture stays in. Use black bags so that light does not get in. That is all for part 1, an update will surely follow. Many thanks.